Guys, today I'll show you how to fix the no GPS showing approximate location error in Waze. Let's get started. First, make sure your phone's location services are turned on. Then, open your device settings, find Waze, and allow it to access your location using precise location or allow all the time, depending on your device. Next, turn your GPS off and back on. Then restart the Waze app. If the problem continues, make sure you have a stable internet connection since Waze needs both GPS and data to navigate properly. You should also check if battery saver or power saving mode is limiting Waze in the background. Disabling those restrictions can help improve GPS accuracy. Finally, update the Waze to the latest version from your app store and restart your phone if needed. Once everything is set up correctly, open Waze again and wait a few moments for your location to lock onto the GPS signal. And that's how to fix the no GPS showing approximate location error in Waze. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.